G'day folks, welcome from an awesome day in the Cape. Today we'll be shooting again with the FX Impact, but this time Power Plenum edition, Hawk 10x scope, reg set at 130 bar. On the front there I've got the FX radar crony on, and our distance is slightly different than usual. We'll be shooting out to 50 meters first, and weather permitting we're gonna go all the way back there to the 75 meter marker, and we're gonna test the pellets at different speeds today. So let's have some fun. What an awesome day. JSB Redesigned. These are the 25.39 grainers. I'm gonna shoot them through all 6 power ranges, starting at power 1. That was very low. Gonna aim way up.
I drive from your place, miss your lips, but I hate the taste. No fun in this game. I will call our bluff, cause using bodies isn't good enough. Slow down, this ain't love. Well, we fell apart just in time. Ooh, you say at least it was worth a try.
The JSB Redesigned love affair with my gun just continues. Anything under 800 feet a second, forget about it, it sprays. But from 850 feet per second and above, the groupings were phenomenal. Even at 957, the grouping on a 7-shot grouping was 15.3 millimeter. For a pellet at 50 meter, I think that's recommendable.
We're gonna run the Jumbo Exact Diablos at 15.89 grain, all 6 power settings. These things are gonna fly at in excess of 1,000 feet a second. I do not expect them to group well at 50 meters at all, but let's see what happens. I have to aim high again.
Well, we fell apart just in time. You say at least it was worth a try. At least it was worth a try. At least it was worth a try. I drive from your place.
The 16 grainers were quite a surprise to me, except for that first group. The second, third, basically all of them didn't group too badly, not at that speed in any case. Will I use them for longer ranges at this speed? No, I won't, but a good exercise in any case to do. Hope you guys loved that one.
Diablo Jumbo Heavies in 18.13 grain. We're starting again at power setting 1.
We hate. We lie, but we know we can't water what doesn't grow. Give up, let it go. Well, we fell apart just in time. You say at least it was worth a try. At least it was worth a try.
After speaking to a couple of fellow air rifle enthusiasts, they said shoot the 18 grainers at a high speed. They absolutely love it. Well, guys, sorry to prove you wrong, they don't like it at all. This is probably the worst grouping I've seen all day, and I'm actually quite disappointed. I had high hopes for the 18 grainers at higher speed. Oh well, let's go on to the slug testing in the next video. Enjoy, guys.